Hello, welcome to my channel Home Health Totke. Today in this video I will tell you yogurt and castor oil face mask. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Yogurt and castor oil benefits for face include improving the skin's texture and helping moisturizing it from the inside. Yogurt also tightens the skin and imparts natural glow on the face. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon castor oil, 1 tablespoon yogurt, few drops of rose water. Method: in a bowl combine together 1 tablespoon castor oil along with 1 tablespoon fresh yogurt and a few drops of rose water. Apply on the face and let it sit for half an hour. Wash off with cool water and pat dry. Repeat the process twice a week for effective results. I will give you the links of ingredients in the description. You can buy from Amazon.com. I hope this video will help you a lot. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thanks for watching.